Right here, $3.8 million in this phantom wallet. Every single bit came from launching coins on my own, not trading them. Stick around, I'm breaking down exactly how it happened step by step. I used to chase every single trending coin, buying at the peak and watching my whole balance drain as the devs dump. That's when I realized the real winners don't buy coins, they launch them. Because when you launch your own coins, you control everything. The supply, the narrative, and the timing. You are not buying hype, you are actually creating it from your own and then taking advantage of it. And the best part is that you have nothing to lose. As the creator, you've got completely nothing to lose. But if you keep trading meme coins, you will lose all your money, bro. I've been there, trust me, it's gambling. But with Bitcoin at all-time highs and Solana fucking surging now, it is the best time to start launching coins. Trust me, do not waste this opportunity, watch until the end. By the way, this video is purely for educational and it's all made with AI, all made with ChatGPT, it's all fake, so please do not copy me. Pump.Fun is oversaturated to the point of uselessness. Too many coins are flooding the site every single second, too little attention, and no real control for your projects. Your coin gets lost before it even starts. But on create tokens.io, you get a clean launch on every single coin you drop. Directly onto Raydium, instantly graduated and migrated and tradable right away. You own the liquidity and you own the project, and buyers can jump in from the second one it's live, bro. If you want momentum and actual volume and a lot of fucking profits, you have to be making coins on create tokens.io. Now when it's time to launch your coin on create tokens.io, you've got two choices. First, build it yourself. So go on Twitter and spot a meme that's trending, right? It could be literally like anything with views, okay? It could be some type of news, but I would highly recommend any tweet that looks funny, like this guy right here. He's on a bike and he will crash soon. Just look. Wait. Oh my god, I knew it. Oh my god, he crashed. Yeah, that could be good for a narrative, right? Then come back to create tokens.io, right? Put the name. So add a name, for example, a ticker and a logo for the Memecoin logo, and then hit next, and after a couple more steps you are done with your coin and it's launched, fully custom made. But anyways, the second method, the one I always choose because it's the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. This posts coins straight from Pump.Fun that already have hype and traffic. Launch them instantly on Raydium, and since attention is already there, you'll get instant buyers and much bigger profits. Both options are solid, but if you want speed and results, method 2 is the clear winner. Anyways, no more explaining, let's go ahead and launch a coin right now to prove to you guys that anybody can make a coin and make some money. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected with create tokens.io, then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the 1 mil coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a 32k market cap, so crit coin. Ignore the warning, every single person is going to get this warning. Just continue, then wait a couple seconds because it has to, pop up. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the magic happens. Liquidity gets added so your token becomes active on Raydium. Okay, so there's two simple steps. The first step is the amount token A. Just simply click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool, and you are keeping 10% in your dev wallet. Now for the amount token B, this is just your first entry into your own coin. It's not a loss, it's locked liquidity. Drop in at least 0.3 SOL and you'll get it back later when you pull the liquidity. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, and once again, bro, you are not losing anything here. Just make sure that you're putting a bit above minimum, then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. After that, once again, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the one Memecoin is now created. It's live. We could even find it on Raydium, but yeah, there are pianos right here, and click on refresh. And as you guys can see, our P&L is $189 now, which means people are buying coins right this second. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen. Now we are starting out at a 1.5k market cap. Buyers are coming in, sellers too, buyers, okay, we're getting a fucking rush of buyers in. And please, bro, do not get emotional. Please control your emotions. Remember that you have nothing to lose, okay? So do not get greedy, okay? Just wait for the coin to marinate. It is gonna get buyers because every single second there's new eyes on the coin. It is launched on Raydium, and that's the beauty of it. So just give it a bit of minutes for it to load and just marinate. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna give this coin a couple seconds. I'm gonna be right back. So enjoy the show for a couple seconds. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back. It looks like we are at a $4,000 market cap. It could go higher, but I want money right now in my bank. So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And boom, we're up $1.7 thousand now. Click on the minus button, my bad. Do 100%, remove the liquidity, and then as you guys can see, I'm going to receive around 8 to 9, so it does fluctuates. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet.